Cloud Suite EAM by Infor is a comprehensive web-architected enterprise asset management system, but you may need a mobile, paperless solution for your field technicians. Paper work orders, or word of mouth, is inefficient and time-consuming. EAM Mobile connects to EAM, letting you push work orders directly to your maintenance technicians on the floor or in the field. EAM Mobile is an app you can download for Apple or Android tablets and smartphones. Technicians can set up the app by scanning a QR code, and you can control their login directly in Cloud Suite EAM. Once logged into EAM Mobile, you can choose to create work requests, manage work orders, review equipment information including histories, manage part transactions, and even complete an asset inventory. Your application administrators can control what functions are available. Work orders are sent to the EAM mobile app when scheduled to employees through the Work Order Assigned To field or through the Schedule Labor page tab. Parts and labor, as well as closing codes and comments, can be added to work orders, and technicians can even have the option to close work in the field. You can review documents attached to equipment and work orders, or use the device camera to take pictures and attach them to records. In the warehouse, parts can be issued to work orders through the EAM mobile app, and the device camera becomes the barcode reader. Warehouse operations can use EAM Mobile for physical inventory part counts, eliminating the need for paper logs and data entry in EAM. The EAM mobile app is licensed by device, which means you can have as many logins to EAM Mobile as you need. Users can share devices. You are only limited to the number of tablets or smartphones you've licensed. For more information about Cloud Suite EAM or EAM Mobile, contact us today to learn about the world's leading enterprise asset management system.